The power of MSG seaweed.
Hey everyone, this video will be an introduction for another video in the future. We will be making Awase Dashi, a type of stock that is the backbone for many Japanese recipes. All you need are 2 ingredients, although it could be a little difficult to find. First thing we need is some kombu, which I labeled as magical MSG seaweed. MSG is a glutamic acid that gives an umami or very rich, brothy taste to food. It gets a bad rep from some people, but is very crucial in Japanese cuisine. Using kombu, it's a natural way to infuse MSG to your stock. Since I'm making 8 cups of stock, I weighed out 20 grams of kombu and cut them with scissors. Cutting them will help infuse the umami from the kombu into the water. This recipe I took from Just One Cookbook, and I like our ratio a lot, which is why I'm sharing this with everyone. After you pour in all your water, we will need to let the kombu soak overnight. Next day, we see how the kombu has rehydrated and the water has turned a light greenish yellow color. That's a good thing. We will begin to bring this pot up to a light simmer. When it gets to a light simmer, take the kombu out of the water before the water starts boiling, as it can give the stock a slimy and off taste from the kombu boiling. After taking out the kombu, we will bring the pot up to a boil before adding in our second ingredient, Katsuboshi. After adding in Katsuboshi, turn off your flame and let the Katsuboshi seep in the pot for 5 minutes. This will help infuse all the flavor into the stock. So let me give a brief explanation on what Katsuboshi is. Katsuboshi is a dried and smoked fish flakes that have been shaved off. It contains iosinic acid, and when combined with glutamic acid from kombu, it exponentially increases the umami in the stock. After the 5 minutes have passed, strain your stock out into another bowl or pot with a metal sieve. With the katsuboshi strained in the metal sieve, take a spoon and push it against the sieve to squeeze the rest of the liquid out. You want as much liquid squeeze as you can, as that is all umami basically. Re-pour the strained dashi stock into a pot and try to avoid the fine bits of katsuboshi that may have escaped through the sieve for a clear stock. There you have it, some fresh dashi stock from just some seaweed and fish flakes. I know this seems bland at first, but trust me, it will make all the difference for certain recipes like miso soup or the udon recipe that I'll release next. Here's a small preview, by the way. Alright, that's the end of this video. I know it's short, but this is a necessary building block for the next video I'll make, so that will be definitely longer. I hope you enjoyed this short video, and please like and subscribe if you did, or if you learned something, and follow me on Instagram at WeCanCooks. Take it easy, everyone.